Hey everybody, welcome to the ServiceNow Star. On today's session, we'll talk about an important component in ServiceNow, an important platform feature, which is called a document service or document management. And this document management application is really enhanced a lot here in Xanadu release, but we'll talk about some of the future here. This capability include integrating with the third-party services that are enhanced by the new release, the Xanadu release, which is the Google Doc, Google Drive. You can do all that beautiful things here, and also you can integrate it with Microsoft OneDrive, Google Drive, and also Microsoft SharePoint. So it's a feature really that can help you upload your document. I mean, we all know the ServiceNow capability where you attach file, right? Attach file into a given document, for example, a given record, incidents, and so on. But this feature, will help you to attach or upload one file and keep it in one area, and you can reference that document in multiple areas. So it's really cool. It gives you a control, to the owner who can own it. It's there, so they have a control of. It could be the visibility. Not only that, also who can see it, who can access it, and also if you want to terminate at any time, you can also do so. Now, at the end, I'll show you, how can you install that plugin. But let's take a look at this feature first. Before we go deeper here, I am Mohammed Rashid Kamal, a certified technical architect. We'll talk about this document management. So now, once the plugin is installed, there is a table called ds_document. ds_document. So on that table you will see that different documents are uploaded. Now, as an example, I have here application architect. Okay, this document, you see the owner right here, and it could have a description as well. Now this document can be referenced in multiple other ServiceNow tables within the platform, and also not only that, you can also share it outside ServiceNow using a link. And the cool part here is that not only sharing, you can put like a lifecycle on it. Like, okay, let's say you share one link. In the previous time you share one link, that link is going to be accessible, right, forever. Okay, it's a security risk. But you can put, for example, after 1 month, go ahead and expire the link. Then it will go ahead and expire that link for you. Now let's take a look at one of these documents here. For example, this document right here, application architect. Once this document is uploaded into ServiceNow, you see that you can download the artifact, you can share it. If I click share, it can create a hyperlink for me with the access that I provided right here, and then it can be shared to anyone within the platform or outside. Okay, now this is the category. You can provide a different category within the platform, and also it will keep track of the version that is approved. And then here currently I have version 1.0, and description is empty. That's why you see here I don't have description in a list view, but if I have that, you will be able to see that. Now this is the very cool part, which is access setting. Okay, now in the access setting, you can put it's referenced by a record, which means I have a check mark right here. Any record can reference this document directly, and I didn't check it here because I don't want to have an admin access. Okay, it can be accessible by any other people as well. So sharing permission right here, I also checked it, so it can be shared for anyone outside the platform based on the role. Now here is a group permission right here. This group permission, who own it, you can see that the enterprise architecture own it. You can set those, that's the owner. Okay, you can put more roles there, and this is the versioning that I have currently, 1.0 I have. And if you have more version within this document, okay, you can keep track of. Like, let's say if you have one version right here, 1.0, you can retire this one and then go ahead and work on another one once you get approved. Okay, you can keep off that document, right? You don't need to recreate another file here, but you can keep the older version and also work on the second one. Wow, how cool it is. Okay, now I'll go ahead and show you how we can reference this document from another table using from the ServiceNow table. Now the commonest table in ServiceNow, right? Let's go to the incident table. Okay, now in the incident table right here, Abel Tutor, right? This incident table, and I created a custom field called document. Okay, it's referencing directly to that table, and then if you see right here the reference, okay, yeah, it is directly referencing, and then you see the application architecture already referenced. Okay, now I can change this one to another document. Now whenever this document get updated and so on, you'll see that as well reflected across the board. But right here directly I have the document, and then let me go ahead and show you that. Okay, this is the document, okay, that I have directly, application architecture, that was referenced. The version is right there, and if I scroll down, you will see that this is version 1.0. okay, here is the document directly that can be downloaded. Okay, right here, download button. So once they click through that reference, you know, they can come directly here, they can download right here, and based on their role they can also upload. Okay, application architecture, you can right here, they can download it and so on. So this is a very cool feature. And how you go ahead and make this accessible from other place, let me show you that one. So on the form design, okay, this is the form design, we will go ahead and add a new field, reference field, and then reference the table directly. Okay, that's much easier. All right, now you might be waiting, right, to hear what plugin you need to have this cool feature in ServiceNow. Yes, it's very simple. You will go ahead and install document management, okay, document management into your instance. And this plugin is called com.snc platform document management. Once you go ahead and install these to your instance, you'll be able to leverage the document management. So once you upload one document, you can access that document from multiple ServiceNow tables. And also, not only that, you'll also have ability to control your documents. It could be who can access it. It can be shared through the link, outside, inside the platform. And with Xanadu, we'll also have another more feature, which is integrating with Microsoft OneDrive, Google Drive, and also Microsoft SharePoint. That's another great feature, because you know, most of our clients, they have their documents kept on the SharePoint. So now you don't need to have a direct, you know, bring everything there. So while you're keeping your document on the SharePoint, you can go ahead and integrate to the ServiceNow to get access those documents. Okay, you can manage Google Drive as well, Google Docs, that file on a Google Drive from the Google Drive. So that's one important thing. Now, with the document management integration, you can do an external content provider, okay, who can provide the document, like the content, directly from an external. Okay, that's a really great feature. And this document viewer also supported now within Xanadu release. There's hyperlink, PDF attachment, and also digital signature. You can do a digital signature directly to your documents as well. Okay. Now that really brings us to the last point here. This in Xanadu, there is an enhanced support for user relying on the screen reader during the document conversation as well. Okay, we'll cover that in the future, but that really covers here the document management. Let me know if you guys have any questions or comment. We'll come back with another session on another episode. I am Mohammed Rashid Kamar, a certified technical architect. Up until, have a great day, everybody. Bye bye.